Hi guys, good afternoon. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Sir Jess once again. So ngayon guys ay nag-process ako ng aking registration sa motorcycle ko. So yung steps na ginawa ko is first I get an insurance doon sa nearest LTO sa amin. So syempre doon ako pumunta and then kukuha ng insurance. So I get there an insurance and its worth is 680 pesos yung insurance. So of course hindi ka ma-renew kung walang insurance. So that is part of the requirement. So ayun, kumuha ako ng insurance that's cost 680 pesos. And after that, since na yung office is wala silang smoke test doon or para sa services para sa motorsiklo mo, so I went here in the RC. Ayan, so pumunta ko dito ng RC and then dito meron ditong LTO din and also may motor services sila dito. So dito ako nagpa-smoke test ng aking motorsiklo. And then when I came at their office, ayun, at nagbayad ako ng 600 pesos yung na-spend ko for smoke test. So bago ka dun makapunta, i-check muna nila if the lights are functioning, the brakes, the signal lights, ayun, the foot brake and the hand brake. Ayun, so bago ka makapa-smoke test. Ayan, so nag-wait na ako doon ng mga ilang minutes. Then after couple of minutes, natapos din, tinawag din yung pangalan ko. And then sabi na sa akin, it's done. So yung na-spend ko pa lang is 680 for the insurance and 600 pesos for the smoke test. So I'm not done yet processing. I will process it on Friday dun sa aming nearest LTO since dun ako nalalapitan. So dun na lang ako magpa-process and Friday pa, it's because I have here my seminar at RC. So I decided na Friday ko na lang siya tatapusin after my seminar. So now I am here in the Condotel. So resting and relaxing my feet and my body and also my mind for tomorrow's ganap. Yan. So that's all guys and my sharing for today. So thank you for watching this vlog again. God bless everyone. Take care.